To you all. First and foremost, my respects to the government of the state of Kosrae. Since the governor is off island, my respect to Lieutenant Governor, all the church leaders here in Kosrae, and all the people of the great state of Kosrae. And my respect to you all this morning for joining us. We have done this sort of activities in the other sister states, and we saved the best for Kosrae. We're celebrating the Tip Day, or they call it World Day Against Trafficking in Person. And this day is supposed to be on the July 30th, as you can see on the banner. But since July 30th falls on Tuesday, we decided that it's better to have Walk Ahts today, on the 27th. And that's why we're here this morning. FSM is one of the 180 plus countries around the world that observing this day every year. And it looks like today it's only a walkathon. However, the idea behind this is to remind all of us that we have this human trafficking issue here in the FSM and outside the FSM. We want you to remember this day as a Trafficking in Person Day, and that human trafficking too exists here in the FSM, and we want to prevent by doing awareness such as this one and more. We have visited the other states, as I said, to do the same thing, doing awareness to the general public. And we also want you to help us to report any suspicious activity so we can all stop this horrific crime. I want you to remember this morning that this human trafficking thing can happen to any one of us, anywhere, anytime. So, thank you all for your participation, and we will walk around Lela Island and back to here. There will be a water station somewhere in front of Kenya's house, and after walkathons, according to the staff, there will be snacks, sandwiches, and water will be here waiting for all of us. But before I close my remark, I also want to thank FSM Bank for allowing us to use their facility. I also want to thank IOM for partnership with the Department of Justice, Division of Anti-Human Trafficking, the Governor's Office, Lela Mayor's Office, and the National Police, the State Police, and everyone who involved in this preparation. Again, let's have a good time walking this morning, and Kalangan Kosrae. Thank you. Today we're commemorating the July 30th, or the Trafficking in Person Day against person. We do this every year, and now we're doing it in Kosrae. I know it's not 30th today, but we're doing it today on the 27th, because 30th falls on Tuesday, and that's what happening at the bank. Thank you.
May vaccine apa program shuk siya ke olutu ke program da olutu may vaccine pa itakakan la makatero olutu so katang shre may takiwa tako sign in is for kuman na kung matap de shiksano kating na program kade rela Dafa katkabon nam doy ka. Dica kina nge rokta mit kina mana kaiwa. Namnas wikot karngin pet kelo. Namas katkani karngin di art a dasi jat na ke. Management lan kelo di kina ngishe mas kete karngin. Na kitin pel na patpap kaiwa sham sham si du na pat dash active program lilisi. Dica kin kalim. Ash kof, ash sandwich pe ako yat lagi masne. Aro kat som vlogo defa patis mange dewa.
Here we are, so
Morning.
Turning it on.
Not walk.
Alright.
I will then reach the destination.
Okay, take one.
With the vlog.
You're doing it fine. Whoa, anh ơi. Cô anh ơi.
Yeah, we got it on, man.
Đúng rồi, có lẽ con.
What's up?
Okay. Nào cô lại.
What's up?
Okay.
You rock me on Malin. When man got relationship because of the wife. When wife? Over my piano.
Ngồi nói chuyện đến. Để phát kéo được chú. Có lên thì kéo hình phố. Mua kìa. À bây giờ phát kìa. Ủa đi đua. Đây phát kìa. Hãy để lo mà anh. Hãy lo cái gì cũng được ra cửa. Lên thì tôi sẽ phát luôn được. Hey, ada berapa kau di rumah? Man. Hard follow. Bóc rất là nhiều kỹ. Mấy gì có bác. Ma. One, two, three. Ven anh, bao không? Fred lần đi anh. Fred. Lo anh đã giúp bom rồi nè. Có kẹo vắt lại mẹ cái đó cái gì nào?
Tìm ta về phone vô. human trafficking Walk Ahts.
Mẹ xin người biết có tụi làm gì.
當然咪 end 咗咁滯，我個話嚟到呢啦 sales 工地嘅 check 嘅 passport 都唔得，
Laman lap. At mong lang si Vansin with my Leo.
我不實嚟啦。
Doon jub del. Del pa kaya ulit to. Oh. Del yung finishing line daw.
Ako.
Hindi kumpe.
Yeah.
All right. Pero so funny, ba't yung mask ko? May try mo kiyo. Tapla Eros.
Ayan.
Tapla din no?
Jackson na.
Men.
Nangaroon na yun na ngayon. Pagkiyan kita man. Uy, may naman man. Hindi mo ka pinag-fordiyan na pala. Into it ako ko.
Nengan loan si Pop Takaro ngayon. Right, okay.
Enter fee na yun.